Genie Powerlift 900 screw drive. This is a model 2562. Let me show you what this is doing. All right, that's good. So the door is not moving. That's good. Okay, so the door will not lift. Now, I thought this was a broken coupler, and it's not. I looked at the coupler is fine. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna take your J-arm, detach it from the actual rail itself. Okay, so we're gonna check. I think the issue is gonna be this right here. It's most likely gonna be grinded down. It's got teeth on the inside that grab onto the screw, okay? When you hear that grinding, it's because that inside of those teeth is basically smoothing down, so it's not grabbing anymore. And typically that's from the weight of the door. It does that with time. That's why it'll close, it'll go down because the weight of the door is helping it pull, but it will not come up. The lift is too strong, so it's chewed those teeth up. Next, we're gonna take this rod out. There's a little safety pin here holding it in place. We're gonna take that off. Right there's the rod through. Pull it on the other side. Okay. I'm just gonna drop your rail just like it did right there. Now what you're gonna have to do is get this piece to come out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you press the wall button and it's gonna slide right off. Press it. All right. You can see it came sliding right off. Here it is right here. Came right out. So this piece slid right out the end. I had to pull it off the wall so we can pull it out. And then here it is. Right here you can see the teeth on the inside. Right here, let me put this down and show you. Right there. You can see how they're pretty grinded down, broken. That's why you're not getting a good grip and right on the end. So that's gonna be your problem. This is the part number 37845RS Carriage Assembly screw drive. Inside the bag, you're gonna have this piece right here, your teeth, and here's your carriage. And then there's a little, like a spring or something in here. All right, so you got your piece right here. You're gonna sit it right in there, like that. And take your teeth, you're gonna sit it right on top. Should be like that. Next, we're going to remove 6 screws, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to separate the motor from the rail. We took the screws out. We're going to go ahead and lift this plate right up. Now from here, we have to actually separate the motor from the rail carefully by basically pushing on the motor to separate the coupler, like that. So we got the rail, we flipped it over so the end facing the wall is over there. We flipped it over. This is the part connected to the motor. All right. Inside here, you're going to see a ring right in here. Okay. You're going to see a ring right in there. We need to pop this ring right out, just like that. All right. Right there. All right, guys, so from here, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our rod and we're gonna push it so that the other end comes out the other side at the end there. So look how I'm pushing it down. I'm on the other side where towards the door, okay? There's the door, I'm here. Now watch this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it out. You're gonna get your carriage on top. Put your carriage on top like that. Make sure your teeth, I don't know if you can see in there. All right, I had to turn my flash on so you guys can see that. You see how the teeth are? If I pull this off right now, it's gonna come up, see? It's like that. Now all you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, you're gonna push your rod right back in. Push it all the way in. See how it's in there now? Okay, so we came back to the other side, and we're gonna do the same process. You're gonna put your ring back on. So we got the ring on right there. Put your other piece right inside, like that. Your block arrow facing the door. Go right in there. Your other ring. Feed it right in there. And then your last ring right there. All right, there it is. Arrow facing in. We're gonna slide this back in. We'll go ahead and put this rail back up towards the door and attach this piece into the motor for the coupler. All right guys, from here, all you're gonna do is take your motor and you're gonna push it back in so that your coupler right here connects to your screw rail right here. All right, so watch this. All I'm gonna do is take my hand back here. I'm gonna push on the motor. See that? It's in place. Keep in mind, I don't have it secured up there yet. I have it sitting on the spring, but at least here to get this in here for now. We're gonna put our plate back on top and our 6 screws. All right, so we have everything connected here. We're gonna go ahead and secure our rail at the top. You're gonna take your end. So I put the rod back in, piece sticking out there. We'll put our pin back in here to hold it in place.